Okay, hello. I just want to quickly go over my IRC application, for Twitch. Um, so if you don't know for Twitch, um, here, let me just go to my channel real quick. So obviously there's a chat for Twitch. What a few people don't know is it uses a backend of IRC. Um, if you don't know what IRC is, basically, it's just a chat protocol that's pretty widely used, so whatever. Um, and a few people, well, a good amount of people will connect to the chat via like MIRC, hex chat, whatever, whatever. But I found that you lose a few nice features when you do that. You gain some, but you lose some. Um, just notably off the top of my head, chat colors and emotes are two things you'll lose. Like if I type in kappa or whatever, there's a face, there's my text color, all that fun stuff. So the reason I ended up building this is to deal with that. So we have this application here. Before I go into it though, let me explain how you can get it set up and going. So I have all the code hosted on GitHub. It's open source. If you know programming, it's in C Sharp. You can fork me, pull requests. I'll probably let whatever in. If you need to get a link to this, you can go to my website. There's a link here that just brings you to the GitHub page, or there's just this MSI. If you just click that, it'll start downloading. But whatever. Um, then once you have installed, you get it running, you have this. We have username, channel, password. So if you, the problem with connecting to Twitch though is you need to use an OAuth key. So there's this link here on the GitHub, or if you click on join, connect, and you don't have an OAuth in the password, it will all it does is check if the OAuth is present or not. If it isn't, it'll come up with a little message that says, hey, you don't have an OAuth, and it'll show you this link. So if we go here, you can connect to Twitch. It'll have you sign in if you're not, and then it'll give you this key. I'm not going to do it because then I'd have to change my key everywhere, and that'd be annoying. So, but it's pretty easy to do. So, and there's this remember me feature, so you don't have to worry about writing the OAuth key down on Notepad or whatever. Can't hurt to do, but you don't need it. There's some config things, mostly just colors. Here, let's leave that open and join. So you can see we have colors here. You can change all of them. These are defaults. So this is what you have. So you're getting the benefits of the IRC. You have these join and part messages. You have timestamps, which you can change. You can notify. So if anybody says your name, or if just on every message, it'll blink, let you know someone's talking. You can keep it on top, all colors. Yeah, I didn't save. That's fine. Close it. So let's see. So let's just say we talk to my chat bot. It shows up here, and the colors match. Not for this. Colors won't match for TestBot because her color isn't set, so it's random every time. No matter where you view this. If I refresh this page, it would be a different color. But you can see also images work, so fun stuff happens. It's pretty easy to set up and get going. I know a few people may not have wanted to use this over, say, a chat because, this is really easy. You just log in. But besides the OAuth key, everything's pretty simple, nice. You get all the features. Okay, so one thing though, because of how this has been built and programmed, it's using DirectX to run. So that means if you're using XSplit, OBS, you know, whatever, I can add it as a source. So say I just add it as a source, see, pop up there, and you have everything. You can just trim it down to size, you know, just you know, crop it however you want. Yep. There, just something quick like that. It's still white places. I just quick cropped. And then you can have it and say there's something over it. It still shows up on the stream, so you know, works out pretty well for most things. It is a bit of a work in progress. I've been checking in code every now and then, but it's functional. There's new features I plan on adding, a few bugs that shouldn't interfere with most people. So yeah, go check it out sometime.